Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use Ghelper on your Asus laptop. So Ghelper is a great tool that helps manage system performance, fan settings, and more. So step 1, in downloading Ghelper, first head over to the Ghelper GitHub page. I've included the link in this description below, so just click that to go straight to the download page. Once you're on the GitHub page, look for the latest release and download the exe file. Step 2. Install ghelper. After the download finishes, locate the exe file in your downloads folder, then double-click to open it. You might see a prompt to confirm. Go ahead and allow the installation to continue. This part may take a few moments, so be patient. So, step 3, launch Ghelper. Once Ghelper opens up, you're good to go. You'll see all the available options for customizing your Asus laptop performance. So play around and adjust the settings to suit your needs. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.